Hello everyone, welcome back to Rufus Theramisati YouTube channel. Today is day 7 of Simple Spolsky's presentation, Challenge of Next Step. At present I am in day 66 of the course. That is week 11 has been completed. And today I have written simple present tense test on topic of English and roundabout inner joints, outer joints, normal joints, and the DBMS topic, basically joints, and in max races on topic I have to be covered. I have written 3 questions, practice sets, and MCQs in English, present simple revision class, right set B, study material, right set here, assessment. Let's go to here. For 10 marks I secured 9. For this one 22, and this one secured 8. I have to write this 3 tests and this one, which I will write now after this video. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do follow my channel pages and do follow other accounts which will be in the info about page of this YouTube channel. If you want to know about how to install softwares like Go, Python, you can check the playlist of how to install softwares and basic stuff present in my channel. Thank you for watching and